In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, okay? I made $10,211 just in 13 days promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. In this video, I will show you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission. And this is my commission, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is the number of people who used my affiliate link to buy those services or products from me. I will share with you guys everything. You just need to watch this video until the end and copy and paste, and you will start getting commission like this, okay? So let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys, okay? You can click here. Over here I have my dashboard, my marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliates. Even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine, just to show you it's not screenshot, okay, like other people sharing with you anyway. So for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and learn how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic, step number 1, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and it's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable, okay? They are paying really good commissions, okay? You can check this website if you want. So just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? It's super easy. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? So all you have to do now is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission, okay? So I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links, affiliate service that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So all you have to do is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr and click on the search and search for this service. Search for Pinterest ads, okay? Search for Pinterest ads, this one. Click on Pinterest ads, okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission, okay? That's how it works. You need to choose just good sellers. So why I choose Pinterest ads service? Because people are using Pinterest who has Pinterest business account, who has a business on Pinterest. They will be interested to run ads for their businesses to get maybe more orders, make more money, grow their Pinterest account, and so much more, okay? That's why I choose this one. I'm gonna click, for example, like this seller. This seller is level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. I'm gonna choose this seller. I think this one is good, okay? And as you can see, guys, this seller has 3 orders in queue. People already are paying for this service. Which people will buy this one? Okay, why this seller has a lot of reviews? Because people who has Pinterest accounts, they are already buying this service to create Pinterest, to run ads for their Pinterest account, okay? And as you can see, the seller is a good one. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, You have dashboard, marketing tools, report. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, let me show you. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, it's super easy and it's for free. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Okay, search for Pinterest like this and click on this link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and they will ask you if you want to create a Pinterest business account or personal account. You need to choose business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video that's really good. Let's check. So as you can see, this seller is showing to his customers how he will make and how he will create a Pinterest ad campaign and the results of his customers. Okay, you see this? That's really good. Okay, so what we will do is we will copy, double click on this video, and we will save this video to our laptop. Click on save video. It's for free, you don't need to use any tool. Just double click on the video and click on save like this. Okay, I'm gonna name it ads Pinterest, for example, ads pin. So download this video, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this video to your Pinterest account like this. Open, and here you go. All you have to do now is you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to the seller profile page, copy his title like this. Okay, just copy his title, put this title here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, so you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy this part and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option. If you have a new account, you can't see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here, click on choose a board, and if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here your tags, okay, the keyword related to the service. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, okay, keep scrolling down like this. So just keep scrolling down. You should see this one, related tags. Copy those keywords, okay? You have Pinterest marketing, Pinterest pin, Pinterest manager, Pinterest advertising, Pinterest ads. Use all those keywords here, okay? And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's super easy, and you are promoting services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who has Pinterest business account to grow their businesses. And you are using video that's really good. People will watch the video, they will see how the seller will help them to run ads for their Pinterest business account and grow their businesses, okay? And it's clear. The business model is clear, but it's not easy. Yes, it's not easy. It's clear, but it's not easy because you need to stay consistent. You need to keep doing more research, promote services that people are searching for on Pinterest, services that people will be interested to buy from you. think smart, do your own research. You can make a lot of money with this business model if you do it correctly. If you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you in my YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money with this business model. But you need to stay consistent. The results, of course, it's not gonna come overnight. It's gonna take time, and it's depending on your work. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. And like this video, I will still share with you guys a lot of new methods, new services, and new methods, new strategies, and so much more in this YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment affiliate marketing if you are interested, and see you in my next videos.